Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. You guys know, if you watch my channel, that I am a at-home device lover queen. I love using at-home skincare devices. I just think they're so cool. I think they really kind of help me with my skincare routine. And this at-home device is one that I really wanted to show you. I read about it, thought it would be a great device to demo on my channel. The at-home device is called NowMi. I'm going to demonstrate it. I'm going to show you the whole system. It's supposed to be an at-home device that is spa quality. The device does two things for you. It provides daily cleansing for your skin, but also it provides a weekly skin rejuvenation facial. So this was a little different than I've seen before. Haven't really tested out a device like this before on my channel. So I am super excited to kind of give you the stats on this, let you know how I feel about it, and do a demonstration of it. So I'm going to take you back to the day that I received the device. We'll unbox it, show you everything in it. I've been using it now for probably about a week or so, and I'm going to show you how I incorporated this device in my skincare routine. I really feel that this silicone cleansing device provides extra benefits for my skin that the one I was using previously did not, but I will get into that as I am using the device. So let's get to the unboxing. So this is the unboxing of the NowMi. It is a very soft, gentle, non-porous silicone device. It's resistant to bacterial buildup, and it performs two different functions. It performs a weekly spa quality facial with exfoliation, nourishment to the skin, oxygenation, and also skin protection. And it also performs a daily sonic facial cleansing, which keeps the skin very clean and moisturized. What is included in the box is the NowMi Pro device, a USB charging cable. The NowMi holds a charge for almost a month, which is great. Vitamin C effervescent pure tablets, a lubricant gel that contains vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. You use that with the vitamin C tablets, and the facial cleansing gel that contains vitamin E, B5, B3, and Dead Sea minerals. The NowMi was invented by a Dr. Zion Azar, who's had over 25 years of experience in the aesthetic industry creating technologies. This device was created to be an at-home device that can duplicate spa quality results. I have purchased a lot of silicone facial cleansing devices, but this is one of the nicest ones I have ever used. So this is the silicone device. Love the color. It is super gentle on your skin. The bristles are made of non-porous silicone, which are resistant to bacterial buildup. There's different power levels on this, and this area on the back is where the effervescent pure vitamin C tablets go in, and then these little tiny packages hold the pure vitamin C effervescent tablets. And then there is a waterproof little area where you stick the USB for charging. I like that the pure vitamin C tablets are sealed in packages. That way you're guaranteed that they're going to be fresh and potent when you use them. Underneath here, when you lift this up, you'll see on the one side is the lubricating gel. You use that with the vitamin C tablet. The lubricating gel is rich in vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, which have great benefits for the skin. And then the facial cleansing gel. Some of the ingredients in the facial cleansing gel are vitamin E, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, and Dead Sea minerals. All have wonderful benefits for the skin. There's the USB charger. The charge lasts probably about close to a month, which is great. So let me show you how this whole system works. I'll show you the daily cleansing feature and then also the weekly facial.
I charged it overnight, and then the only thing I do is I just wet my face a little bit with some water, and then I'm going to use the daily facial cleansing side. I'm going to use it with the facial cleansing gel. This will help me maintain healthy, clean skin, help get rid of makeup, any dirt, any oil on my face. It also acts as a really nice massage on your face. The cleansing action of the silicone device is very much improved by sonic energy. The device actually emits 6,000 sonic pulses per minute, so that's going to help ensure that the gel penetrates and cleans the pores on your skin. The cleansing gel's ingredients include vitamin B3, vitamin E, B5, and Dead Sea minerals. B5 helps to hydrate the skin. It's a natural hydrator that helps the skin retain greater quantities of water. It also provides facial rejuvenation, helps soften the skin, and acts as skin repair and has anti-inflammatory benefits. I love that this contained Dead Sea minerals from 1,200 feet below the sea level. Dead Sea minerals are the richest source of healing minerals in the world. It includes zinc, which helps with skin renewal and stimulates collagen and elastin production, calcium, which helps to strengthen the skin cell membrane, sodium chloride, that hydrates and nourishes skin and the cells and eliminates toxic waste. Vitamin E is an antioxidant which helps protect against pollution, external stressors on your skin. It also helps to neutralize free radical damage to the skin. B3 is niacinamide, which is an ingredient that I absolutely love. That aids in skin protection, protects from infrared UV and visible light, also helps with hyperpigmentation, and also helps by lowering the production of pigments that transfer to the skin. So besides just cleaning your skin and cleaning your pores, this device should help to even out your skin tone, help your complexion, and also act as an anti-aging device. The sonic facial cleansing brush helps to massage facial muscles, which helps to increase blood circulation, and that helps to increase the production of collagen and elastin, which improves the firmness of your skin. I've been using this silicone facial brush for probably a few weeks now. Really do love it. It gets my face super clean. I love the idea that the facial cleansing gel has all those fabulous anti-aging ingredients that are really getting pushed right into my skin to make it look glowing and more radiant. What's so unique about this facial cleansing brush is that besides just having one side for daily cleaning, if you flip it over, it provides a spa quality weekly facial. All you have to do is take one of the pure vitamin C effervescent tablets, insert it into the little circular area. You will get a mild exfoliation of the skin and also a deep oxygenation effect. So you place the tablet in there, you put a thin layer of the gel on the tablet, and then just massage that into the face. It exfoliates the skin. It has 6,000 sonic pulsations per minute. The outermost layer of skin is removed and it leaves the skin really glowing. It also provides sonic nourishment. The gel is rich in vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. The vitamin C tablet helps with skin rejuvenation. It's an antioxidant. It also aids in slowing down the signs of aging. It contains vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect the skin against pollution and stressors. It also helps to neutralize free radical damage that can harm the skin, and hyaluronic acid, which helps the skin retain water and makes the skin more supple. This device also provides sonic oxygenation. It oxygenates the skin from within. The way that works is the chemical reaction between the effervescent vitamin C tablet and the lubricant gel will then aid in the absorption of the vitamins and the minerals by the skin cells. As we age, a lot of the antioxidants decrease, making the skin more vulnerable to damage from pollution. What this system does is it helps to replenish the skin's vitamin C supply. I absolutely loved this silicone brush. It really is one of the best that I've ever used. I really like that this performs two different functions. I can get that daily cleansing in, and I can get a weekly skin rejuvenation treatment. The daily treatment really deeply cleans your skin, and it's also infused with vitamins E, B3, B5, and those fabulous Dead Sea minerals. And then if you flip it over, the weekly treatment performs 4 different actions: skin exfoliation, skin nourishment, oxygenation, and protection. It is an at-home device that really does deliver spa quality facial treatments in only 5 minutes at a fraction of the cost of going to a regular spa. The flip side of the brush that does the weekly treatments is fabulous because it uses a pure vitamin C that is sealed in those packages. That way you're guaranteed that the vitamin C is going to be very potent and very effective. When the lubricant comes in contact with the pure vitamin C tablet, there's a chemical reaction on the skin that then stimulates the body to oxygenate itself from within. That chemical reaction results in the optimal absorption of all the vitamins by the skin. Can't say enough about this facial cleansing brush. If you're like me and like to do at-home treatments, really don't like going to a spa or can't go to a spa right now, I think you will really love this system. I will leave all the information for this NowMi device down in my description box below. If I have any promo codes for it, I will leave those down there also. Take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully everyone is safe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.